Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to online class. I am very glad to meet you in this session. Students, are you fine? I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Students, now our society's condition is very bad, is it? During this pandemic period, students, you should be very careful. You should protect yourself, so you should not go outside from your home. You stay safe in your home and pray well. Okay, students? Okay, and also day to day portions you have to prepare well because these all portions are related to your 10th standard portion, so you should be very careful. Okay, students? Okay, now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, in the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class topic. Okay, which things we discussed in previous class? Have you remember, students? Very good. We discussed about natural resources, is it? From there, first we discussed about what is natural resource, is it? Students, have you remember what is natural resource? Excellent. Natural resources is any matter or energy derived from the environment that is used by living things, including humans, are called a natural resource. Is it? Next, we learned about some of the examples of natural resource. Is it? Students, have you remember what are the important examples of natural resource? Very good. Air, water, minerals, fossil fuels, plants, sunlight, natural gas, etc. Is it? We learned about these all examples of natural resource and its uses. Is it? Then finally we learned about the conservation of natural resource. That means how to prevent and conserve the natural resource. We learned about some of the measures, is it? Because of that, in which year the World Charter for Nature developed? Very good. In the year 1982. Is it, students? In the year 1982, the Charter for Nature was developed. Is it? Then, in which country developed the World Charter for Nature? The United Nation. Okay, the United Nation developed the Charter for Nature. Okay. Then finally, we learned about the some of the important measures taken to conserve the natural resource, is it? For example, first we should be educate about the implication of exploitation of the environment, recycle and reuse all the things. Then farmers must be use some of the techniques during their agricultural field. We should save the electricity. Industrial waste it should not be sent in the water bodies because water is sustain all life, is it? Then afforestation, one of the important measures to prevent the natural resource, is it? These all things we learned in the previous class. And also I gave some worksheet. I hope you done that worksheet also. Okay, students. Now let us come forward to today's class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the two types of natural resource. Just I introduced in the previous class what are the two types of natural resources, is it? Students, have you remember what are the two types of natural resource? They are renewable resource and non-renewable resource. What are the two types of natural resource? Renewable resource and non-renewable resource. From here, first of all, we are going to learn about the first type, renewable resource. Okay. Okay, students. What is renewable resource? Renewable resource is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. The definition of the natural resource is the resources that are available in infinite quantity and it can be used repeatedly. What is non-renewable resource? Resources that are available in infinite quantity and can be it is used repeatedly are called renewable resource. Okay. For example, forest, wind, water, is it? These are the examples of renewable resource. Many examples are there, is it? These resources are present naturally on our planet. These renewable resources are present naturally on our planet when compared to fossil fuels. Okay, these natural resources are replenished quickly after we use. And also, some other examples are there in renewable resource. They are solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, and wave energy. Is it? These are also the examples of renewable resource. New reports state that India is the fourth largest nation in installed power generation capacity in the field of renewable energy sources. India state the fourth largest nation in installed power generation capacity in the field of renewable energy resources. And then with a total capacity of 17,594 megawatt resources were produced from India. India has high potential of these resources to exploit. This generating energy that produces no greenhouse gas emission from fossil fuels and it reduces some types of air pollution. And also, these resources creating economic development and jobs in manufacturing areas. Okay, can you understand, students? Then the second type is the non-renewable resource. Is it? What is the second type of natural resource? The second type of natural resource is the non-renewable resource. Okay. These resources are limited in abundance due to their non-renewable nature and whose availability may run out in the future. Okay. What is non-renewable resource? The resources that are limited in abundance due to their non-renewable nature and whose availability may run out in the future are called non-renewable resource. That means non-renewable resource is the sources that cannot be replaced again after utilization. What is the meaning of non-renewable resource? Non-renewable resource is the resource. It is the sources that cannot be replaced again. Okay, once we utilize means it cannot be replaced again fastly. Okay, for example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Okay, it is also known as artificial or deplete resource. Okay, what are the examples of non-renewable resource? Coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the examples of non-renewable resource. It is also known as artificial or deplete resources. Okay, once we used these resources, there is no more available for future need. But these resources are consumed much faster than nature can create them. Okay. Many useful non-renewable resources are found in ocean at a depth of 5,000 meter, that is known as nodules. Many useful non-renewable resources are we can found in oceans at a depth of 5,000 meter. Okay, that is known as nodules. Okay, from these resources, now we are going to discuss about minerals. Okay, from these resources, now we are going to discuss about minerals. Okay, what is minerals? Minerals is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin which definite chemical and physical properties. What is minerals? Minerals is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin which definite chemical and physical properties. Okay. It should have a characteristic crystal structure. A mineral should be a naturally formed substance. That means the material should be one formed as a result of natural process in or on the earth. The process of extracting mineral from the earth is known as mining. Okay. The process of extracting mineral from the earth is known as mining. There are two types of mines. What are the two types of mines? They are open pit mines and shaft mines. Okay. Open pit mines and soft mines. Open pit mines, that is the mines near the earth crust. Okay. The mines near the earth crust is called open pit mines. Then shaft mines. Second one is shaft mines. The deep mines are called shaft mines. Okay. The mines near the earth crust is called open pit mines and the deep mines are called shaft mines. Likewise, two types of mines are there. Okay. Our country depends the minerals resources and their successful utilization. India occupies prominent position in the world market for production and export of minerals like iron ore, aluminium, magnesium, titanium, etc. Okay. Then from here, from minerals, we are going to going to learn about the two types of minerals. Okay. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals are broadly grouped under the categories. They are metallic and non-metallic minerals. What are the two classification of minerals? Metallic and non-metallic minerals. Okay. First of all, we are going to learn about the metallic minerals. Okay, first of all, we are going to learn about the metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are the minerals which contain one or more metal elements in them. These metallic minerals are acquired in every kind of rock and some varieties of soil. It shows a metallic shine in their appearance. These minerals mostly we get through mining. Okay, where we are getting through mining, we are mostly getting these minerals. These minerals contain metal in raw form. Okay, these metallic mineral are used in automobile industry, building industry, electrical industry, and manufacture of cans, bottles, etc. Okay. The important examples of metallic minerals are iron, magnesium, copper, bauxite, zinc, gold, etc. Okay, just you see this picture. Here some of the examples given. The important examples of metallic minerals are iron, manganese, copper, bauxite, zinc, gold, etc. Okay. Then the next one is the non-metallic minerals. Next one is the non-metallic minerals. The non-metallic minerals are a special group of chemical elements from which no new product it can be generated if they are melted. Okay, the non-metallic minerals are a special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. Okay, then sand, gravel, limestone, clay, marble. These are some of the examples of these non-metallic minerals. Okay. Then it do not contain any metal substances in them. It won't get any new product after such a process. It do not have any shine or luster. Okay. These minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling and quarrying. Then for some of the examples of these non-metallic minerals are mica, limestone, gypsum. These also some of the examples. First we learned some of the examples. It's sand, gravel, clay, marble, and also the mica, limestone, gypsum. These also some of the examples of the non-metallic minerals. Okay, these minerals are mostly used to almost all the industries. Almost all the industries are mostly used to these non-metallic minerals and manufacturing some of the goods. Okay, can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Students, today's class we discussed about the two types of natural resources. Is it? First, we discussed about the two types of natural resource. They are renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Is it? Renewable resource is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because of it is naturally replaced. Okay, that means renewable resource is available in infinite quantity and can be used repeatedly are called renewable resource. What are the examples of renewable resource? Forest, wind, water, solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, tidal energy, wave energy. These are some of the examples of renewable resource. Is it? Then next we learned about the non-renewable resource. Is it? What is non-renewable resource? Non-renewable resource is the sources that cannot be replaced again after utilization. Is it? Students, have you remember what are the examples of non-renewable resource? Very good. Coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the example. Is it? Examples of non-renewable resources. Okay. From here, first of all, we learned about minerals. Is it? We learned about minerals. What is minerals? Minerals is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin which definite chemical or physical properties. Minerals is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin which definite chemical and physical properties. Is it? From here, the process of extracting mineral from the earth is known as mining. Is it? What is mining? The process of extracting mineral from the earth is known as mining. Is it? There are two types of mines. What are the two types of mines? Open pit mines and shaft mines. Is it? Open pit mines means the mines near the earth crust. Then shaft means deep mines. Okay, deep of the earth crust. Okay. Then from here, the two types of minerals we learned, that is metallic and non-metallic. Okay. Metallic. What is metallic? Metallic minerals are the minerals which contain one or more metallic elements in them. Is it? These are occur in every kind of rocks and some varieties of soil. Is it? Then what are the examples of metallic minerals? Iron, manganese, copper, bauxite, zinc, gold. These are the examples of metallic minerals. Is it? Then non-metallic minerals. What is non-metallic minerals? Non-metallic minerals are a special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. Okay. What are the examples of non-metallic minerals? Sand, gravel, limestone, clay, marble, is it? And also uh, gypsum, mica. These are also some of the examples of non-metallic minerals. Is it? These minerals are mostly used to almost all the industries. Is it? Then the next class we will discuss about the each minerals one by one. Okay, students. Now I am going to conclude today's class. The next class we will learn about the each minerals one by one. Okay, students. Now we will see the worksheet. Today's worksheet. What are renewable resources? Some of the question answers I am going to give. These all questions are related to your 10th standard portions. Okay, you have to prepare and learn. First question is what are renewable resources? Second question is what are the examples of renewable resources? Third question is what are non-renewable resources? Fourth one is what are the examples of non-renewable resources? Then fifth question is what are minerals? Sixth one is what are the examples of minerals? Seventh one is what are the types of minerals? Okay, 7 questions I gave. Students, you should listen this video and prepare these question answers. Okay, these questions answers you have to prepare from this video and you have to write and learn well. Okay, okay students, the continuation of this topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you students.